Principal and monthly payments. What amount of the third payment would be applied to the principal on a $90,000 loan with an annual interest rate of 8.5% with payment of $692.02? So we need to calculate the first month's payments, the second month's payments, and the third month payment. And when you're calculating these, you're going to calculate the interest on there as well that's applied to the principal. That's really what we're looking at here. So let's go ahead and begin. So with the first monthly payment, to find that amount, the interest there, remember it's going to be the principal, which is $90,000, times the rate, write that as a percent, which would be 0.085. And then because we want it in the monthly payments, we're going to divide by 12. We don't want the yearly interest there. We just want the monthly interest. And so that gives us $637.50. And now what we can do is go ahead and subtract that from our monthly payment. And that means that $54.52 of that goes toward the interest. That's your interest that's going to go toward your payment. So you know, with loans, you really pay interest toward the beginning. Mostly it goes toward the interest, and then the actual payments go down. So continuing on, we're going to now take the $90,000 there and subtract the 54.52, and now that gives us a new balance here of $89,945.48. Moving on to the second payment. So from the second payment, this is now our balance, so we're going to start from there and use that to calculate our interest. So it's going to be that amount times 0.085 divided by 12, and that gives us $637.11. Now subtract that from your payment. That gives us $54.91 interest. So now we're going to subtract that amount from the $90,000, which gives us again a new balance. Let's do this one more time, because what we're looking for is the interest that's going to be applied to the principal, but with the third monthly payment installment. So let's go on to the third monthly payments. So multiplying the amount we got, the balance from our second monthly payment, that times 0.05 divided by 12 is going to give us $636.72. Go ahead and subtract that from your monthly payment, which is going to give you an interest of $55.30. That's going to be applied to the principal. And we're pretty much done with the question. You don't have to do that last step of go ahead and subtract it and get your new balance. But you can if you want. The bottom line is the question asks what amount of that third monthly payment will be applied to the principal, and it will be the $55.30 that's going to be applied to the principal.